class, welcome back in your language class. Today, through this video, I am going to teach you chapter number 12, tenses. What is tense? The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. It tells us whether it has taken place in the present time, past time, or in the future time. Type of tenses. There are mainly three kinds of tenses in English. Number one, past tense. Second, present tense. Third, future tense. These three types of tenses are further divided into four types. Four other types of tenses. The three types of tenses are divided into four other parts. Number one, simple or indefinite. Number two, continuous. Number three, perfect. And number four, past perfect continuous. Present tense. Present simple or indefinite. For writing present simple tense, we use the rule with the singular subject, we use s or es with the first form of verb. For example, he goes to school. But with the plural subject, we use subject plus first form of verb. For example, they go to school. Present continuous. For writing present continuous sentence, we use the rule with the singular subject, we use subject plus is plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, he is going to school. With the plural subject, we use are plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, they are going to school. With I, we will use am plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, I am going to school. Now, present perfect tense. For writing present perfect tense, we use the rule. With the singular subject, we use as plus third form of verb. With the plural subject, we use have plus third form of verb. For example, he has gone to school. They have gone to school. Now, present perfect continuous tense. For writing present perfect continuous tense, we use the rule with the singular subject, we use subject plus has plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for. With the plural subject, we use plus have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing since or for. Past tense. Past simple or indefinite. For writing past simple or indefinite sentence, we use a rule. Subject plus second form of verb. For example, she went to playground. Past continuous. For writing past continuous sentence, we use the rule. With the singular subject, we use was plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, she was going to playground. With the plural subject, we use subject plus were plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, they were going to playground. Past perfect. For writing past perfect sentence, we use the rule subject had plus third form of verb. For example, she had gone to playground. Number 4. Past perfect continuous. For writing past perfect continuous sentence, we use the rule subject plus had plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for. For example, she had been going to playground since 2 months. Future tense. Future simple tense. Future simple tense is used to express some future action or events, as I shall go to Mumbai tomorrow. For writing future simple or indefinite sentence, we use the rule subject plus will or shall plus first form of verb. For example, she will do her homework. Another example, I shall do my homework. Now, future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to express an action that will be continuing at point in future time. For writing future continuous sentences, we use the rule subject plus will or shall plus be plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, she will be doing her work. Another example, I shall be doing my work. Now future perfect tense. The future perfect tense denote that the action will be completed in the future before an action take place. For writing future perfect sentence, we use the rule subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of verb. For example, she will have done her homework. Another example, I shall have done my homework. Now, the next one is future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous tense is used for actions which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. Example, they will have been teaching for 10 years next July. For writing future perfect continuous sentences, we use the rule subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for. For example, she will have been doing her homework. Another example, I shall have been reading in this school for 5 years. Now, dear students, please read this chapter thoroughly, and if you have any question, we will discuss in class. Thank you.